If you're looking to lose weight or eat a little healthier, you're probably wondering, are there any apps to help you along the way? Which is why in today's video, I'm breaking down the best 3 nutrition apps for beginners that will make improving what you eat simple, accurate, and quick. Starting with number 1, Welling.AI. Welling is an AI-powered nutrition tracking app that not only tracks what you eat, but also provides practical suggestions to improve your meals and support your goals. Now, tracking your nutrition is one of the most effective ways to stay accountable and manage the things that matter most when you're trying to lose weight or improve your eating habits. And that's because by logging your food, you're managing the aspects of your nutrition that allow you to get leaner or to gain muscle, the calories and the macronutrients. But food tracking can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to this stuff. And that's why Welling is perfect for someone that's completely new to food tracking, because it doesn't operate or work like a traditional food tracking app. Instead of searching for every individual ingredient and measuring out every specific portion like you would on a tracking app like MyFitnessPal, which is a bit more traditional, with Welling, you're gonna simply type in what you eat, or even better, take a photo of it, and Welling is gonna quickly analyze it and give you a summary of your calories and macronutrients, along with helpful tips and motivational insights to keep you on track. When someone's completely new to tracking and it isn't going well for them using a traditional app, maybe they're feeling overwhelmed or just can't get it to work, I often recommend Welling because it makes this entire process much more simple. Traditional nutrition tracking can be time-consuming and hard to stick with, especially if you're a beginner. So Welling takes away this barrier and makes it easy to stick to your nutrition plan, which is going to deliver you better results. Welling makes food tracking easier and faster, especially if you're taking meal photos, which is going to make tracking and monitoring your food intake feel more sustainable. And the longer you can do that for, the better your results will be. But Welling isn't just good at tracking your food. Its AI chatbot is gonna offer you personalized suggestions to improve your diet. It can even answer questions about healthy eating and nutrition. And if you want even more direction, like say a meal plan or a workout, Welling can supply that for you too. One of my favorite uses for Welling is social eating. When you're first getting started nutrition tracking, the process of going out to eat can be confusing and stressful. You may spend ages researching menu items or settle for a salad that you didn't want, or choose to eat something that throws a wrench in your plan. Or worse, you're not even social anymore. You don't even go out. Welling has got some cool solutions here. So what you're gonna do is simply take the link to the restaurant menu, paste it into the app, and it's gonna analyze the options and suggest some meals that fall in line with your goals, saving you a bunch of time and frustration. Now, Welling isn't free, but for $15 per month in a monthly subscription, it's well worth it to see if Welling is the right nutrition app for you. You can also save money by choosing one of the 3 or 12-month bundling options. If Welling has piqued your interest, you can try it for free for 7 days. Down below, you're gonna find the link to Welling.AI, as well as all of the nutrition apps we talked about today. And the second nutrition app on our list is MacrosFirst. So if you're looking for more control or accuracy with your tracking, or if you're working with a nutrition coach or trainer that wants you to hit specific tracking targets with your food, then a more traditional tracking app might be the best path to go. There are many options out there, but one of the best is going to be the one I'm going to talk about right now, MacrosFirst. First off, MacrosFirst is very simple to use. As soon as you open the app, everything you need to be looking at for your nutrition is right there. Your calories, macros, progress for the day. You don't have to run reports or go digging for information. Everything is right there in front of you. It's all super clear and easy to follow, which makes a big difference when you're looking for quick and easy ways to track your food. Logging your food is going to be flexible too with MacrosFirst. You can search for foods, you can copy meals from a previous day, create and save recipes, but also use the barcode and label scan. They also have an AI dictation feature, so you can simply type in or speak what you ate, and the app is going to track that for you. One of the biggest advantages of using MacrosFirst is its accuracy. It has a completely verified food database, so you can trust that the foods that you're inputting are actually correct. And that's going to help eliminate some of those sneaky inaccuracies, the food entries that can really throw off your tracking because you're accidentally eating way more or way less than you think. As a nutrition coach, one of my favorite aspects of MacrosFirst is to focus on the macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fat, not just calories, because a lot of nutrition apps out there focus just on calories, which is fine if you're just looking to lose or gain weight, but most people want to change the way they look. They want to improve their body composition. So where those calories are coming from matters quite a bit. MacrosFirst makes tracking macros simple and intuitive, especially with features like the portion calculator, which is going to tell you exactly how much of a certain food to eat to hit your macros. If you're interested in more advanced tools, MacrosFirst does have a premium version for $667 a month. This unlocks features like AI search and macro math, which allows you to control how calories and macronutrients are calculated and featured throughout the app. With that being said, the free version is great enough on its own, especially if you're just starting out. It has everything you need to track your nutrition effectively without feeling overwhelmed. Now let's move on to our third app, EatThisMuch. EatThisMuch is a meal planning app that's going to generate recipes, meals, and meal plans that are tailored to your individual macros and calories. It's like having a personal meal planner at your fingertips, which is going to be great for someone that wants to improve their nutrition while taking the guesswork out of the choices. Okay, so using the app is straightforward. You just enter your goals, any dietary preferences or restrictions, any specific requirements, and EatThisMuch is going to create meals and recipes that align with this plan. Everything is stored and organized within the app, so you can easily access your plan, and each meal is going to come with step-by-step recipes as well as a detailed list of ingredients, making meal prep easy and stress-free. You can even customize the meals based on your available prep time, cost, and the difficulty, and even the preferred ingredients. So the meals that are generated and the meals you're gonna make don't only fit your nutrition plan, but also your lifestyle. For those that want even more advanced features, upgrading to the premium version, which is gonna be $15 a month or $50 for the total year, unlocks tools like weekly meal planning, automatic grocery lists, as well as leftover planning. These features make sticking to your plan even easier and more efficient. With that being said, the free version still has tons of value. You could generate a day's worth of meals, save your favorite recipes, and use step-by-step guides to confidently prepare meals that fit your plan. I recommend EatThisMuch to beginners because it simplifies nutrition in a way that not many other tools can. Instead of guessing what to eat, you're given a clear plan to follow. Even for my own nutrition clients who prefer a tracking-based approach using apps like MacrosFirst or MacroFactor, I still recommend checking out EatThisMuch as a resource for recipe inspiration and meal ideas. Now that we've covered the 3 best nutrition apps for beginners, I do want to give an honorable mention to a nutrition app that you've probably heard about, MyFitnessPal. While it's not my top choice for a few reasons, many of which I've discussed on the channel before, the constant in-app ads, and the fact that some features like the barcode scanner are now behind a paywall, is still worth mentioning because it is a good nutrition app for beginners. MyFitnessPal has been around forever, and it's arguably one of the most popular and most used nutrition tracking apps. And this longevity does mean that it has an extensive database with tons of user entries, including less common recipes and foods, some restaurant entries that aren't very common as well, with a wealth of tutorials, tips, and content created by users already online. If you're just starting out, these type of resources can make using a nutrition app a lot easier, especially compared to newer options that just don't have the same level of support. MyFitnessPal also stands out for its integrations. You can sync it with a lot of wearables like your Apple Watch or Garmin, so you can sync your steps and activity data, especially if you're tracking more than just nutrition, you want to track your activity levels as well. MyFitnessPal is also one of the few nutrition apps that consistently syncs with a lot of professional coaching softwares, meaning if you're working with a nutrition coach or personal trainer, MyFitnessPal might be the right nutrition app to go with. So while it's not my personal favorite, it may be a tool worth considering, especially if those features line up with your needs. With that being said, those are the 3 best nutrition apps out there for beginners right now. But I'd also love to hear from you. Is there a nutrition or tracking app that you're using right now that you absolutely love or that I missed? Fill me in the comments below. But as great as all those tips are, if you're looking to lose some weight or tone up this year, the next thing I'm gonna have you do is check out this video I've linked up right here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get in insane shape this year. And the best part, you can do it with simple strategies that I outline in the video and get started right away. So check it out right now, and I'll see you in the next video.